What is data granularity in demographic data? Imagine trying to understand the makeup of a large crowd. Do you look at the entire group at once or focus on small sections? That's what data granularity is all about. It's the level of detail in the information we collect and analyze. When dealing with demographic data of the United States, granularity tells us how specific or broad the data is. For example, do we look at the entire country or just a neighborhood? Fine-grained data means very detailed information, like data at the level of census blocks or neighborhoods. Coarse-grained data is more general, such as state or national level data. If we examine demographic data at a very detailed level, we can see small differences within communities. For instance, we might find income disparities or health issues that only show up when we look at specific neighborhoods. But there are challenges with very detailed data. Privacy concerns can arise because small data units might identify individuals. Also, small sample sizes can make the data less reliable. Larger units like states or counties give us a broader picture but may hide local differences. Choosing the right level of detail depends on what we need to know. Federal agencies often use state or county data for policy decisions. Local governments or community groups might need census tract or block group data to plan programs. Researchers studying specific trends may require very fine data to spot subtle patterns. It's also important to understand that more detailed data isn't always better. Sometimes, detailed data can be incomplete or less accurate because of small sample sizes. On the other hand, aggregated data might miss important local variations. When evaluating data sources, knowing the level of granularity helps us decide if the data fits our goals. It helps us interpret the information correctly and avoid making decisions based on too broad or too narrow data. In essence, data granularity in U.S. demographic data is about how detailed the information is, especially regarding geographic and population breakdowns. Picking the right level of detail ensures our analysis is accurate and useful. Whether we're looking at national trends or neighborhood differences, understanding this helps us make better decisions based on the data we have.